This is our class Edmodo page. This one right here is for business law. For this class, students can come in and download instructions, so turn in their assignments. We take our quizzes through Edmodo. Here's a quiz for section 3.2, and here's a quiz for section 3.1. Here are some more quizzes. Here's another assignment for ethical scenarios. And here is another one for the Miranda rights paper. Here are some more instructions that they can download. I have an Edmodo page for all of my classes, both of my computer classes, entrepreneurship, business law, and investing. For my computer classes, I upload their assignments and the data file that they need in order to complete the assignment. So here's for project 3.8 Excel, and here's in project 3.4 of Excel. And once they download the data file and complete the assignment, they upload it back into the assignment box. Also, whenever I am away, kids can send me messages through Edmodo. I get notifications whenever someone sends me a message. I also get notifications anytime somebody submits an assignment. Here are some messages. Here is a message from a parent from last year. Parents who sign up for the Class Edmodo page are able to send me messages after looking at their child's assignments. And then finally, every page has a code, and they should be locked. Let me see. Yeah, the class codes are locked. If I were to have another student join the class at this point, I would have to go in and unlock it. That way, only people that I give the code to are able to join our class.